ready to level up your Qlik Sense data modeling skills and unlock deeper insights. Today, we're diving into how to create new tables from existing ones directly within the Qlik Sense script editor, expanding your data model for richer analytics. First, ensure your base data is loaded into Qlik Sense if you haven't already. Connect to your data source and load the initial tables you'll be working with. Now, in the script editor, we'll create a new table using a load statement. This load statement will read from an existing table, specifying the fields we want to include in our new table. This is where the magic happens. Within the load statement, use functions to transform the data. For example, you can use mapping functions to standardize values, or date functions to extract year or month. To perform aggregation, add a group by clause to your load statement. This allows you to summarize data from the original table based on specific fields, creating aggregated values in your new table. Link your new table back to the original or other tables using join statements. This creates relationships, allowing you to connect the transformed or aggregated data to your existing data model. Double-check your script for any errors, then reload the data. Voila! Your new table is now integrated into your data model, enabling you to create more powerful and insightful visualizations. Now you can unlock deeper insights and make data-driven decisions with confidence.